MI-3871. Installation. Attach the pole to the base using 3 socket screws and the provided Allen wrench. Attach the mounting plate to the anti-theft box using the provided screws and a Phillips head screwdriver. Choose the proper silicone pad and peel the paper off to reveal the sticky side. Attach the 4 silicone pads to the anti-theft box, concealing the screws. Attach the mounting plate to the pole using the locking block, locking nut, and the anti-theft screw. Tighten with the provided anti-theft wrench. If the clamps can be pulled, then they are unlocked. Use the anti-theft wrench to tighten the anti-theft screw located in the back of the mount. The clamps will now be locked. For added security, bolt the base to any surface.